Hey everyone, my name's Andy, and today we're going to explore some of the fundamentals of ArcGIS Pro. One of the first things you'll notice when you open Pro is that it's a ribbon-based application. Each tab at the top of the application contains the tools you need to work with items in your project. Projects contain all the resources you'll be working with, like maps and scenes, as well as layouts, geodatabases, and folder connections. Your maps and scenes are explored within views. Here we have a map view of Wellington, New Zealand. Using the Explore tool, we can move within the map, and if we wanted, make changes to it. When we switch a view, notice how the items in the Contents pane change to reflect what is in the active view. When you close a view, it's still in your project, and you can reopen it on the Catalog pane. The arrangement of these panes can be changed to optimize your workspace. They can be moved and even stacked on top of each other. And if you close one of these panes, you can always reopen it on the View tab. ArcGIS Pro also responds contextually to your work. For example, when you select a layer in the Contents pane, the Feature Layer Contextual tab will provide you with an additional set of tabs. Here you can change the layer's appearance by modifying the layer's symbology. When you make a change you don't like, you can undo it using the Quick Access toolbar. Here you can also save changes or open a new project. If you want to give this tutorial a try, head over to the ArcGIS Pro help and download the project and follow along with more detailed steps.